Click on the link and go to the alphabet S. Select ScienceDirect Journals. ScienceDirect is a website which provides access to a large bibliographic database of scientific and medical publications of the Dutch publisher Elsevier. Here you can explore scientific, technical, and medical research on diverse subjects. To start searching on the ScienceDirect interface, click on Advanced Search. For the purpose of demonstration, we are searching for articles on the topic of sustainability. Notice the total number of results. To refine your results, you may use the filters available on the left. In order to access the article of your choice, click on its title. This will open the article in a standalone window, which makes it easy to read and navigate. On the left, you can quickly sift through the contents of the article. On the same page, you can also find some other useful information, such as recommended articles. These articles are selected based on the relevancy of your search results. Clicking on the title of the article's journal will open up the page of the journal itself, which includes a lot of useful information, such as journal site score, impact factor, latest issue. Top cited, most downloaded, and most popular articles from this specific journal. The journal's page even contains useful information for the authors, in case if they would like to publish their article for the journaling point. On the articles page, you can also export citation by clicking on the Cite button, and then to save it to RefWorks. You can even save the article by clicking on View PDF. This database even helps you by saving multiple PDFs in a single click.